Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage voice settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now here you will find voice settings and click on it like this. Here, as you see, you can manage your voice settings. You can manage your input and output settings, your sound bar, your overlay, and that's it. That's how to manage your voice settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.